When we first moved into our old Japanese house, we stumbled upon intriguing items that gave us a peek into the lives of its past residents. These items, found in our akiya house, one of the many abandoned homes in Japan, have their fair share of antique charm. So it only makes sense to explore local antique stores to find one-of-a-kind vintage items and mix them with our current pieces. If you're a new or returning visitor, welcome. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is Pancake. Today we're off on a 4-hour road trip to Kagawa Prefecture's Takamatsu City to visit some of its numerous antique shops. This antique shopping adventure also marks the beginning of Pancake's many travels with us. Luckily, we found some pet-friendly accommodations and a friendly feline to help calm any travel jitters of our 4-legged traveler. Our first antique shop, Intimate, has an array of treasures on display, ranging from vintage clocks and baskets to timeless furniture pieces. Although we were enticed by these larger items, we opted for some smaller pieces instead. During our second and final stop of the day, we stumbled upon Resma's fusion of antique store and cafe. The highlight of our visit was discovering a vintage ramen noodle maker. Made from sturdy cast iron and brass, having this in our collection means we can finally enjoy creating our own homemade ramen right in our kitchen. A significant part of bringing this ramen machine into our kitchen was giving it some much-needed TLC. Over the years, our new pre-loved noodle machine has accumulated layers of history from all the delicious ramen it helped create. Just imagine the years, possibly decades, of noodle remnants nestled in every nook and cranny of this machine. To revive it, we had to take it apart and clean it thoroughly to start fresh. Sounds simple, doesn't it?
It's hitting something. Aha! There we go. Beautifully machined screw. That's cute, eh? Ah! Got you, you little booger.
All that dedication definitely calls for a reward. Like this delightful mochi manju filled with sweetened green beans from one of our neighbors. Locals in the countryside love sharing their homemade goodies, who might just pop in for a visit. Let's hope our ramen turns out great, so we can contribute to the neighborhood cooking swap and impress everyone with our ramen making skills.
That's so interesting, Pancake.
After dismantling the ramen maker, it was time to clean it. Armed with a machine parts cleaner, a wire brush, and plenty of elbow grease, we diligently scrubbed away the years of dust and ancient ramen dough. Once it sparkled and gleamed, we painted it back to its classic machinist green hue.
It's nice. Real machinist green.
When it came time to reassemble the ramen machine, I was looking forward to putting it back quickly. Surprisingly, it ended up taking me a total of 5 hours.
Okay.
After spending days taking it apart, giving it a good clean, putting on a fresh coat of paint, and reassembling it, we're all set to whip up some ramen with our antique noodle maker. The ingredients of ramen noodles are simple. You just need flour, water, salt, and a bit of baked baking soda. Heating the baking soda under high heat transforms it into sodium carbonate, an alkaline salt that gives ramen noodles their classic springy texture. I'm not a ramen pro, so I followed an online recipe for this batch, which I will add in the description below.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, 7:30. You should be ready. Yeah, that looks good.
That.
Nice.
Oh, that's so good.
So crisp.
Oh my gosh, it's doing on both sides.
Boom.
Wow. Satisfaction.
Itadakimasu.
Time for a walk. Take a walk.
What do you think? What are your at-home ramen recipes? If you're interested in watching an extended cut, no voiceover version of this video, you can watch it and other videos like it on my Patreon. Thank you again to all my supporters and those who have already given us a thumbs up and subscribed. We'll see you next time. Bye!
In the way. Pancake.
Stop!
Where?
Stop! Stop!
Move your hand.
Stop it! Stop
Move your
doing it!
hands.
Stop! Yeah!